January brings positive returns, but uncertainty remains. For Equity Armor Investments, I'm Joe Teague. This is Vol 411. January was a very strong month for the stock market, with the semiconductors and mining sectors leading the way. For the major indexes, the Nasdaq was on top with a 12% return, followed by the Russell 2000, the S&P 500, and the Dow Jones Industrial Averages with returns of 10.4, 6.75, and 2.9% respectively. Retail and discretionary sectors also performed surprisingly well, with returns of 16.9% and 15.8%. On the flip side, utilities and staples sectors saw negative returns for the month. Now, despite the positive return of the homebuilders sector, that ETF is XHB, outperforming the S&P 500 with a 9.8% return last month. For me, there's still some uncertainty whether or not the fundamentals are backing up this current price action. XHB has a history of sharp declines after periods of strong performance. I'm specifically thinking of 2006 in July through February of 2007. We saw a 39% rally in XHB. The rest of that year, 2007, there was a 47% drop for the year and a 36% drop in 2008 after that. So for me, the technical landscape for the indexes in the market looks very strong. I'm still waiting on the fundamentals, the economy, the macro data to come through to support this price action. And today we actually saw more of the same. We had an ISM number coming in today, weaker than expected, followed up by a stronger than expected JOLTS jobs number. So for me, there's still a lot of slack in the jobs market, and the economy is weakening. It's really hurting the Fed's case, which of course is the big news today, the elephant in the room, that we're going to have a soft landing on the economy side, and that inflation is coming down with a lot of slack in the jobs market. We haven't seen that yet, so we'll have to wait and see. On the volatility side, we are right under 20. 20, of course, is that important spot for a lot of traders. For me, it's just the lower end of the recent range. We'll have to wait and see if anything happens following the Fed. For Equity Armor Investments, I'm Joe Teague.